children.
Hello, dear children. Today I will tell you how to calculate the area of a circle. This is a very important topic in mathematics that will help you understand how to find the surface area of various round objects. I invite you to our forest, where the forest inhabitants will learn together with us. On the meadow, Mouse and Mole met. Mouse was wondering how to measure the area of a circle, and Mole, full of enthusiasm, suggested simply measuring the circumference and multiplying it by 2. Mouse, although curious, was not sure if that was a good idea. In the end, they both decided to ask me if their reasoning was correct. I explained to them that to calculate the area of a circle, we need to know the radius and use the formula pi times the radius squared. On the meadow, Bunny and Badger met. Bunny, as clever as always, tried to explain to Badger how to calculate the area of a circle. Badger stubbornly wanted to know why we use the number pi when calculating the area of a circle. Bunny explained that pi is a mathematical constant that is essential for calculations related to circles. In the end, Bunny added that pi is a number approximately equal to 3.14, and the formula for the area of a circle is pi times the radius of that circle squared, which is pi times the radius times the radius. On the meadow, Hedgehog and Fox met. I decided to check their knowledge. I asked how to calculate the area of a circle with a radius of 3 meters. Hedgehog, although shy, answered that you need to multiply pi by 3 meters squared. Fox, clever as always, added that it is 3.14 times 3 meters times 3 meters, which gives a result of about 28.26 square meters. Both animals answered correctly, which made me very happy. Queridos niños, hoy aprendimos cómo calcular el área de un círculo. Recuerden que necesitamos la longitud del radio de ese círculo y el número pi. La fórmula para el área de un círculo es pi multiplicado por el radio al cuadrado, que es pi multiplicado por el radio multiplicado por el radio. Si el radio se da en unidades, por ejemplo, en centímetros, entonces el resultado estará en unidades cuadradas, es decir, en centímetros cuadrados. Espero que ahora puedan calcular el área de varios objetos redondos. Hasta la próxima.